Hey folks, how's it going? Name's Roscoe Ralph. Today I'm going to show you how to kind of get your car ready for in the morning when it snows. First step that we're going to want to do, you can go around the other side. We're going to want to warm up our car here. Yeah, we got a little bit of snow on the windshield, and you know, a lot of the times your front and rear defrost will take care of that, you know. So next step here is you're going to want to clean off your windshield if you get a normal snowfall that we get here in Montana. Just a little bit of snow, so you're just going to want to, you know, kind of just brush that off. Yeah, just get that ice is coming right off. Mm-hmm. You know, and you know, there we go. We got the windshield all cleared off. We do have a sunroof on this pickup truck. Just clean off your brush sometimes. Lastly, you're going to want to take your brush here and just find a good spot to put it. Any spot's fine. Preferably, I like to put it in the trunk. It's just a good place. Hey! And thank you guys for watching. This has been how to clean off your. Oh, you know you don't.
Oh, thank goodness. I don't know what I've done without this thing.